Hi folks, welcome back to MetaBox Tutorials. As you know, providing a number of reading time will help the visitor know in advance how much time it takes to finish reading the post. It might be a key feature to improve the user experience. So, let's find out how to have this reading time number in each article on your WordPress blog. We'll use the MB views from MetaBox. To have the reading time number on posts, we should use some code. In the meantime, we cannot deny that using a plugin to add code indirectly brings more advantages than doing it in the theme files. There are some plugins that can help us add code. But if you have MetaBox on your site, MB views will be the best option to avoid installing too many plugins from diverse authors on your site. As mentioned, we need the MetaBox plugin. It is the framework that helps the MB views work. You can install this plugin directly from WordPress.org. Along with that, we also need the MB views to create a template to display the reading time number. First, I will create a template to show the time information in the top section of the post. We should put the reading time on the top since it should be noticed before the visitor reads the post. Go to Views and create a new template for displaying time position. In the Template tab, add some lines of code like this. This is to get the time icon. It's just for decoration. Here I set an ID. It'll be used to automatically display the time number after calculating using JavaScript later. This template is just simple as you can see here. Just scroll down to assign this template to the posts. I choose this option to set the reading time display right before the post content. Since I added only the icon into this template, there will be only the icon appearing from this template on the posts as well. To have the reading time number, we need to create another view. Also create a new view. I will use this template to calculate the reading time based on the number of words in the post content. We should use JavaScript. So move to this tab and add code. This first part is to get all the text from the post content. I also create an object to connect with the ID that we created in the previous view for the reading time. I put all the text from the post content to an array. Then, use that array to count the words. Now we have the total number of words that the visitor should read for all the content. To have the reading time, I stipulate a number of words that people usually read in a minute. You definitely can change this number. This is the formula to calculate the minute. Now we have a number of minutes to finish reading the post. This line will help to pass this number to the section where we said to display the number in the previous view. This is the number of times figured out by the formula. This is the unit of the time. I set it as minute, it might be more sensible than second. We've done it with JavaScript. Move down for settings of this view. I also assign this view to the post where I did for the previous view. But please notice that we should choose the position as after the post content. The reason is that this script has to get all the post content. So the post content must be loaded first, then the script. If the script runs first, it will get nothing because there is nothing from the post content loaded. Now, go to a singular page. You will see the reading time displayed. Go to another post. you also can see that the number has also changed. It means that each post will have its own number of reading time based on its number of words. If you want to make the reading time display with a better look, go back to one of the views and add some CSS. Back to the page on front end. The new look has been done. That's the end of today's tutorial. If you want to try more interesting things with MB views from Metabox, please watch other tutorials on this channel. Remember to like, share, and subscribe us for more tutorials. Bye.